Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A33, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first we should go into the settings application, and after that click here on the sounds and vibration. Here then just click to the volume section, and just to change the ringtone volume you should swipe this dot to the left or to the right side with your finger. Also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first be sure that this switcher to use the volume buttons for ringtones is turned off, and now just by press up or down volume button we can also change our device ringtone volume. And we can do it also with the third way, just by slide up or down this volume button with our finger. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.